everybody, it's me, Max Farrell from DexFXMarkets.com, and we are here on the Dex Atomic. Today is February 17th, 2020, and it's the second time we're here for tonight. In the previous videos that we did, we talked about doing some of the trades that you see. We have one live trade on right now, sitting at the Euro JPY at 118.75, right about 15 pips. 17 pips down from our session, so we're doing pretty good. We're about 70% of our price for our current market price, so we're doing pretty good. We got two others on board. So I'm here to look at the 1 hour signals to see if we can find something. We're going to be using our primary pairs, which is the AUD USD, Euro JPY, Euro USD, Great Britain Pound USD, and USD JPY. All right, so let's look at the AUD USD for the 1 hour. Nothing here. We didn't have, even if I did have on this arrow, we didn't get into this because we are so far down and so far right of anything of structure that we don't get into these trades. Now, if these were on a sell position like from here, this is something that we would have gotten into up here easily enough. So let's jump down to the Euro JPY. Oh, there we go. There's a nice, good push down. Looks about 3/4 of the way through a good trend. So what we're going to do is try to come up here at this little head and shoulders and this little beefcake, 118.83.84 on the Euro JPY. But we're already into a trade on the Euro JPY at 118.92. Okay, so we're going to kind of stay with this particular trade here, even though because they would both end at the same time. So that's 83. Here's 92 all the way up, or all the way up here, where we got in before, okay? Because we were trying to get up in this area, and we were able to get into that area from there. So pretty powerful that the system works that well. And again, that was on a 2 hour trade, not the 1 hour. Now the 1 hour, we got some more detail in here. So if we were to actually go and look at another trade at 118.80. we might be looking at something pretty strong. So there's 72, there's 82, 92 and 82. That's about $19 on it. Now, I don't like doing that. I don't like having two pairs on it. If this pair goes supernova, we're going to lose both. So I'm going to kind of skip away from that and just hang on to my 25 bucks, right? So let's go find another one. Euro USD. Maybe we got something else on that process. But again, here's the Euro USD playing the opposite direction, right? It's heading up. And now we have a signal that's heading against the trend. It has done sort of like a little reconnaissance bear pennant kind of process, right? It's starting to push up against, but really pushing to the EMA here. So I'm not probably going to play with this one either, being it's a little. So let's go to the Great Britain Pound USD. We are pushing up. All here is a nice little, again, we're here. This is a flag. Is what we call a flag, a bear flag. And what it's going to try to do is either come up and do a reversal or a continuance. These things scare me a little bit only because it doesn't give me a good structure in here. I could play either side. I could try to stay down here, but if it's meant to be a bear continuance, it's going to do that. And it's going to do that within about 3 to 4 bars, right? Because it just like it got here, it's going to try to push by one of these values. Okay, so we could be looking at more of a reversal to kind of come back up to this area here because it's going to try to shoot to this up in here. But I think I'm going to let that be for right now and sort of play with caution. Let's go down to the USD JPY. USD JPY also has a buy as a sell signal, which is pretty good. If you remember on the last video, we did not get into this. We got into a speculation trade, but we didn't go live on this particular process because we knew that we didn't get a lot of results from this little push here, right? So this is where things were getting a little bit crazy. This is not really a bear, but it's a nice little wedge. And once it pushed past that wedge, it's sort of telling us now this is where it wants to go. So let's look at 109.74 on the USD JPY. 109.74 on the USD JPY for 11 o'clock. There's 109.74 right there. It's got $15 on it. We're going to do that. We're going to put that on. We're going to put that. And we're going to place order. Okay. Now, the good thing is that it's sitting down here. USD, JPY, sitting at $15. Might be able to get bought in, might not. I don't think the Audi is going to get bought in on that 2 hour trade. So I'm going to take that one off. Okay, So that's basically it. So I'm not really going to be going over to speculation trades anymore. We're going to be staying here, playing on the live, so you can see live trades being done. And if we're able to get in, we're able to get in. If we're not, we're not. Okay, so you can see what the reality is here, is that we're really trying to trade and make something happen for you. Okay, so we're going to be back in just a little bit, see what we got. The 2-hour trade thing we are going to be doing, but not right now. So we got this 102.74. So we're going to see if we can kind of stay with that speculation, see if we can get in. Probably if we came to it first, as usual. Maybe that's what I start doing. Go for the USD JPY up first. I'm going to scan back down through here, see what the market's doing, see how things are looking real quick. We're going to Euro JPY. We do have this, Euro JPY hitting again, kind of staying at this margin right here, 118.87. But like I said, we're at that point. It's 10 pips apart anyway, so I wouldn't be able to get into another one. I would have to come down to 82, and that would be really pressing my luck. I think that it does have an okay possibility to be able to do that. But if I were to lose this one, even though I'm making $30 instead of 25, I'm still going to lose 70, and I'm going to lose a portion of my process there. So I think I'm going to stay with what I have, and we'll go with that. Whether or not it's work out in my favor later, who knows? We'll see. But we'll be back in a millisecond for you and about 45 minutes for me. See you then. Hey everybody, it's Trader Max. Damn, I kind of I missed the boat coming back here to grab the end of the video, and I do apologize, but we ended up getting the Great Britain Pound USD picked up as well from our working order from the previous, so majorly exciting. Got another $50 on this system. Pretty kick-ass. Let me drop down here and just segment out my winnings here. Oh, no, not that. Like that. Just leave that. Put that there. Copy right here. And so I'll Great Britain Pound USD and yeah. Good. So not too bad. $23 wins. I didn't put the 2 contracts on like I wanted to originally, so these should have been $50 wins, either $46 wins on both of them. Completely messed up. Should have had them all on there for the 2 because I have the balance to be able to handle that. But completely, it's late at night. I've been up for more than 20-something hours. So I should be listening to my own advice. Never trade tired. All right. I fell asleep in the chair and just sitting here. But a win's a win. Okay. This could have been worse. Could have been a loss. I could have been 10 contracts and lost them. So not too bad. $162 for since we started the live atomic, and $46. Let's see, $92 for the night. Not bad, right? So I'm going to be back tomorrow morning at 0900 hours. That's 9 o'clock for all you non-military people. Not that you couldn't figure that out, right? But I'm going to be back here tomorrow morning and starting to trade. I should have a pretty good day between 9 and I'll be trading from 9 to 12, maybe 9 to 3. We'll be making videos all day long. So pay attention. Make sure that you hit the notification button on here so you get these videos right away, so you can see what's going on and see the proof behind you. We're also going to be doing some webinars throughout the week as we bring on the Nadex Atomic. If you want to buy into this system, reach out to us. We have a button on the site, but we're still building everything out today, the 17th of February. So if you have any problems, you're thinking about getting in, please just let us know. We'll help you out and drive you through this process. It's super easy, as you see. And it's super intuitive, and you get to learn a lot, but you don't have to do a lot. All right? I'm Max. This is Dex. We'll see you next time. And as always, trade well.